Okay, describing the physical properties of gas. Every minute of every day, we breathe without thinking about it. Our body does it on its own from the day we are born until we die. So we have muscles contract to bring oxygen or gas into our lungs and then transfer it by the bloodstream into all the body. Gases are strange. We cannot see them, but we know they are there because we feel them. What we experience as wind is trillions and trillions of gas molecules slamming into your body, and so we feel it. Science is based on observation. Unfortunately, we cannot observe gases with our eyes. They are too small. We have our other senses to make observation and draw conclusions. What can we say that is the first thing? Gases always move in a straight line. We don't have anything really to demonstrate that, but imagine a bullet fired from a gun and that the bullet goes with a constant speed and in a perfect straight line. This would be like a gas molecule. Secondly, gases are so small. They occupy no volume of their own. But as a group they do. We can see it when we blow a balloon and we see that the volume changes. But single gases have no volumes compared to other forms of matter, and rather than calculating that small amount of matter, we just call it zero for simplicity. Third, if a gas molecules collide, and they do, of course these are assumptions, their energy remains constant, and we demonstrate this by dropping a soccer ball with a tennis ball balance on top. Because the soccer ball is bigger, it has more potential energy, and the energy from the larger ball is transferred to the smaller tennis ball, and it flies away when the energy is transferred. So the total energy remains the same. Gases work the same way. If they collide, smaller particles will speed up, larger particles will slow down, and the total energy remains constant. Fourth, gases do not attract one another, so they don't like to touch. But remember, rule number 3, in reality they collide. Finally, gases have energy that is proportional to the temperature. The higher the temperature, the higher the energy the gases have. The crazy thing is that at the same temperature, all gases have the same energy. It doesn't depend on the type of the gas, just the temperature the gas is at. So once again, keep in mind that this is a model for the way gas particles behave, and based on our observation, gases always move in straight lines. They are too small, they are not measurable on their own, and they do not interact with each other. But if they bump into another, their energy is transferred from a particle to another, and the total amount never changes. Temperature has a major effect. In fact, all gases at the same temperature have the same average energy.